Hey all, this is Gravy Flips. It's a channel where we buy and resell furniture, collectibles, and video games to earn some extra profit or gravy in our side hustle. And today I've got a quick video, and the quick video is about how you can make $25,000 extra in a year by making one stop on your way home from work. And the goal is to sell $70 per day in used items, particularly used furniture is what I recommend. So before you swipe away, before you close the window, let me quickly show you in less than a minute how I can encourage you to make 25,000 extra dollars per year. So first, all you got to do is go to Craigslist, go to the free section, and during your lunch break at work, you just got to scroll through. And what you're doing is you're looking for um, dressers or bureaus, and make sure it's within like a 15-mile radius of where you work. If you go and pick this up, this is a live pickup. This is an antique dresser. If you were to pick this up and put it in your SUV, it's probably about 36 to 40 inches wide. So you could throw it in there, you take it home, you take some pictures of it, you throw it on Facebook Marketplace, you sell it for $60 to $75. I have 5 storage units, and I've done over 1,000 in-person transactions and 41,000 transactions online. Um, Believe me, this dresser will sell for $60 to $75, and all you need is a place to store it. So having like a storage unit or something. If you do this every single day, you pick up something that you can sell for $70 and you sell it. And if you have an average sale of $70 per day, you can make an extra $25,000 in a year. A second way to do it is by using these links. And if you don't know about these links, on my YouTube channel, in the description below, you'll see that I just published a 39-page expert reselling guide for video games and furniture. It's $12.99, and if you want to up your game to get to $140 per day in selling stuff, which will make it to where you make an extra $50,000 per year, or you can get to the pro level where you're selling $250 per day, which means you're making an extra $92,000 in your side hustle. Uh, Definitely check out below. These links are in um, that guidebook that I've created. But what's cool about these links is that when you click on them, they optimize Facebook Marketplace, and I made a bunch of videos on how to use these. And what you can do is it's an even more optimized way to look for extra dressers. You can look for other used furniture or other things that sell for at least $70 a day to make that extra $25,000. Because remember, the goal is just to make an extra stop, just like you would at the gas station, just to make an extra stop within 15 minutes of where you work. If you do that every day, you take pictures of it, you throw it online, and you can make an extra $25,000 per year. So I would, if I were working in Burlington, I would stop and pick up these 2 chairs. I know that a matching set of antique chairs, I'd burn this one, can sell for about $40. So that pays for the gas for me to get home. But again, the mentality here is just optimizing and taking advantage of the fact that we're in town. When we go to work, we can stop. Oh, here we go. This was posted. This is free. You might need a truck to pick it up. But this dresser with the mirror on top, I guarantee you could sell for about $120 to $150. You definitely need a dolly. You can get a Tractor Supply to pick it up. But there you have it. Oh, here we go. Oh, but that's all the way in Maine. Never mind. So yeah, thanks for joining me today. And that is an expert tip on gravy flips. Make sure to check out my other videos. I just posted a 30-minute video that really goes through even more items that sell and the prices they sell for. Because again, here at Gravy Flips, I'm a full-time teacher, and here at Gravy Flips, the goal is to get you out there so that you can live a better life and you can end that generational poverty. It's a real thing. So yeah, you can do it. You got this.